So this second example that we're going to work through is very similar, except our original equation is not going to be in slope-intercept form. The example is, find an equation of a line parallel to 4y minus 12x is equal to 4, which passes through the point -3, 4. Our first step is still the same. We just have to do a little work to get there. So basically all we have to do is solve for the variable y in this equation. So I'm going to write down the equation they give me. 4y minus 12x is equal to 4, and I'm just going to solve for y. Now first thing I need to do is add 12x to both sides. Then I'll get 4y is equal to 12x plus 4. Next, to isolate y or get y alone, what I need to do is divide both sides by 4. And I end up getting y is equal to 3x plus 1. Now from this, it's very simple to see what the slope of the equation is. The slope of our first equation, m1, is equal to 3. From here, we remember that m1 is equal to m2, because we're looking for a parallel line. m1's equal to m2. Now we know m1 is going to be equal to 3, and that's going to tell us that m2 also is going to be equal to 3. Just like in the previous example, all we have to do at this point now is just substitute in our second slope and the point into point-slope form. So I'm just going to write those out for us really quick. I'm going to say m is equal to 3, and then we need to get the point. The point is -3, 4. Now it's very important to remember this negative because it is going to change a little. We're going to write down y minus y1 is equal to m times x minus x1 here. And we're just going to substitute in now. So y minus y1 is 4 is equal to m, which is 3, times x minus -3. So remember, it's a double negative here, minus -3. That's very important. Now all I have to do is solve for the variable y to convert this into slope-intercept form. Before I do anything else, what I really need to do is get rid of this double negative inside this parentheses. So I'm going to keep everything else the same in the equation. Say y minus 4 is equal to 3 times x minus a -3. So x minus a -3 is the same as x plus 3. From here, the steps are just the same as every other one we did. We're going to distribute the multiplication for 3. We're going to get 3x plus 9 on the right side. The left side stays the same for now. Now we want to get y alone. It's y minus 4, so we're going to add 4 to both sides. We're going to end up with y is equal to 3x plus 13. And there's our answer. Y is equal to 3x plus 13 is the equation we're looking for. The example is going to be something like this. Find the equation of a line parallel to y is equal to 5x plus 7, which passes through the point 2, 1.